Hello friends, my name is Shreyas Yadav, Mathematics faculty. Today we will discuss about a very interesting topic of mathematics, that is trigonometric functions. So here we will discuss all the concepts and all the whatever important clues are to be used to solve the problems. Here we will discuss those things. So we'll start from class 10 to we'll go up to class 11th and 12th. So first of all, in class 10th already students have completed this part, trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. I hope everyone knows about the trigonometric ratios. So what is trigonometric ratios, students? Trigonometric ratios is nothing but sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So basically it is a definition which will provide the relation between angle and sides. So sin theta is, if I will take a triangle here, if there is a triangle which is right angle triangle, and let us keep this as theta, and it is a right angle triangle, therefore this will be 90 degree, this angle. Now take it A, B, C. So everyone knows that it is opposite, that is AB upon hypotenuse. So AB divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. And the cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse, or I can say adjacent upon hypotenuse. So it will be, the adjacent value is what? BC. So this will be equals to BC upon AC. Sin theta is equals to AB upon AC. Tan theta becomes AB, the opposite side, divided by adjacent side, BC. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, students. So tan theta is AB by BC, therefore cot theta will be BC upon AC. BC upon AB, sorry. And sec theta is equals to reciprocal of cos, so it will be equals to AC upon BC. And then what about the cosec theta? The cosec theta will be equals to 1 upon sine, reciprocal of sine, so it will be AC upon AB. Understanding? This is the basic relation between sides and angle and trigonometric ratio. Basically trigonometric ratio will decide what is the relation between sides and angles. Okay, yes. And some more the definitions of the trigonometric ratios are there. So if I will do sin theta into cosec theta, it is called quotient relation actually, students. So sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. Why it is 1? Because sin theta is equals to AB upon AC and cosec theta is AC upon AB. This will get cancelled, AB with AB, AC with AB, then the value becomes 1. Clear? Okay. Next is the next relation will be cos theta into sec theta. So cos theta into sec theta, it is also equals to 1. And the next relation will be tan theta into cot theta, it is also equals to 1. Clear? Any doubt to anyone? So what is the main thought? The main thought is the trigonometric ratio will gives the relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, let's do some problems. The problem number 1 is, find the length of the chord which subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center of the circle of radius 6 centimeter. So my dear students, here there definitely there will be a circle and we have to find out the length of the chord. That chord will makes the 120 degree angle at the center. So I am making a circle here and the center, this chord is making 120 degree, my dear students. 120 degree at the center. At the center means if we will join the end points of the chord at the center, so it will make the angle of 120 degree. Okay, So this angle will be 120 degrees. Okay. Yes, 120 degree. Next, it is saying that the radius of this chord, radius of the circle is 6 centimeters. So I'll keep 6 centimeter. We have to find out the length of the chord. So by the concepts of circle, if I will draw a perpendicular from center to the chord, the concept is it will bisect the chord. Okay, so let us keep this is AB and center is O. If I'll draw OM, then OM, if it is perpendicular to AB, then OM will bisect the chord. It means M is midpoint of AB. Understanding? So this AM equals to MB, and one more thing will happen here. This angle AOB, see the angle AOB, which angle? This angle. It will bisected by the perpendicular. So this will be equals to angle AOM plus angle BOM, and both are equal angles. These two angles are equal. Therefore we can write 2 times angle AOM equals to angle AOB. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 120 divided by 2, that will be equals to 60 degree. So this angle will be of 60 degree. Okay, understanding? Any doubt to anyone? It is what? 60 degree, and it is also 60 degree. If you have doubt, you can write your doubt in your comment, then I will give the solution of those doubts also. So angle AOM, we have got, sorry, angle AOM, not AOB. So I did here mistake. So 2 times angle AOM equals to angle AOB. Therefore angle AOM is equal to AOB upon 2. That will be 120 upon 2. It is 60. Clear? Okay. So here what I can do is, if this angle is of 60 degree, then this will be of 30 degree. 60 plus 30 is going to be 90. So this will be of 30 degree. Now I know about this hypotenuse, that is 6 centimeter. If the hypotenuse is available and one more angle is available, angle AOM is 60 degrees available. So I will use, because we have to find out the value of AM. This AM we have to find out, because AM plus MB equals to they are equal. So if I will get this AM, then definitely I will multiply that number by 2, so we'll get AB. So I'll use the trigonometric ratio. Now students, you have to say which trigonometry will relate this one and this one, that is hypotenuse and this one, because of the angle is, the known angle is this one. So I'll use sine, because sine is same as opposite upon hypotenuse. So I will use here sine of angle AOM is equals to opposite, that is AM, divided by AO. In which triangle we are using? In triangle AOM. You can see here, either you can make a triangle, make this triangle, I will make the triangle like this. Okay, so if I will make the triangle, then definitely you will get the idea what I am trying to say. This is 60 degree and it is 6, here O M A. So I can find out this value if I have this value. Understanding? So AO upon AM upon AO, AM upon AO, angle 60 degrees we have. So sine 60 equals to AM, and AO value is also there, that is 6. So sine 60 is what? I think it is under root 3 upon 2 is equals to AM upon 6. So this implies that AM equals to 6 into under root 3 upon 2. This will get cancelled 3 times. So I am getting the value of AM as 3 under root 3. But we have to find out whole AB. I have the value of AM. I have to find out this total AB. So what I will do is, this value and this value are equal. So I will just multiply the AM by 2 so that we get AB. So AB becomes 2 times AM, because AM and MB both are equal, students. AM and MB both are equal. Therefore, if I will multiply 2 in this value, then becomes total AB. Okay. Yes. So AB is equals to 2 into 3 under root 3, that is equals to 6 under root 3. So AB value will be equals to 6 under root 3. I think it is a centimeter or something else. Yes, centimeter. So here you can write centimeter, the unit of that value. Clear? So chord will be of 6 under root 3. I hope it is very clear to all of you, everyone. Okay, let us go for the next question. Next question is, if two angles of a triangle are 30 degree and 45 degree and the included side is root 3 plus 1 centimeter, then find the area of triangle. So two angles of a triangle are 30 degree and 45 degrees. So I will make a triangle. Okay. So two angle, the first one is given, that is 30 degree, and the second one is 45 degree. So let us keep the name of this triangle is ABC, 30 degree and 45 degree. If I will join the perpendicular from vertex A to on BC, then it will touch here. Let us call it D point. Okay. Now if it is perpendicular, students, so definitely this value is again 45 degree, because 45, one of the angle is 45 and one is for 90 degree, so remaining will be 45. So if it is 45, then these two values are equal. Okay, because the angles are same, then opposite side will be same. So let us keep this value is H, so it is also equals to H, DH. Understanding? Okay, next, the included side is given. It means this BC value is given, included side BC is given, so it is root 3 plus 1 centimeter I am writing here. Now if total is root 3 plus 1, then what is the value of BD, my dear students? BD is what? BD is equals to BC minus DC. Just see the triangle. BD is equal to this part is equal to total minus this part. So we will get BD. So BC minus DC is equals to BD. Okay. So BD will be equals to, BC value is given root 3 plus 1 minus DC, and what is DC? H. Okay. So BD I can write, okay, BD is equal to root 3 plus 1 minus H. Now just see this triangle. You have to see this triangle, triangle ABD, here also 90 degree, and this value is H. This value is also we have found here, and we can calculate the AB value, because we have to find out the area. So for area actually I need to calculate H, because I know the base. If we know the base, then we have the height of the triangle, then we can calculate the area of triangle as half into base into height. So actually my aim is I have to find out the value of H. Okay. Yes. Now see here. So I have to connect this side and this side using this angle. So I will use tan value, right? So in triangle ABD, I'll use tan 30. So tan 30 will be equals to AD upon BD. Okay, clear? AB upon BD, and tan 30 is nothing but 1 by square root of 3. AD is equal to H and BD is equal to, already we have calculated 3 under root 3 plus 1 minus H. Now what I will do is I'll just cross multiply this equations, this equality. So we get root 3 plus 1 minus H is equals to root 3 H. Okay, and then this becomes, this H will goes to there, so we get root 3 plus 1 is equals to root 3 H plus H. Now h is common, then what we get, students? So root 3 plus 1 is equal to root 3 plus 1 into h. Okay, so from here I can calculate the value of h as root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 into nothing. We can cancel these two value, we get 1, so h value will be 1. So height of the triangle will be 1. Understanding? So if height is 1 and base is also, we know that, though we can write the formula, that is area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. If I will take base as BC and height as AD, so I can find out the area of triangle, right? So here I'll just substitute the values, base as root 3 plus 1 and height as 1. So we get the area of triangle